Fighting disease with fruits. Berries. Fruits are a valuable component of a healthy diet and can provide a wide range of health benefits. Berries, for example, strawberries, blueberries, rich in antioxidants that may support heart health, which can contribute to a healthy heart. Anthocyanin-rich. Anthocyanins are a class of water-soluble pigments responsible for the red, purple, and blue colors in many fruits, vegetables, flowers, and leaves. They belong to the flavonoid group of polyphenolic compounds, which are widely distributed in the plant kingdom. Anthocyanins contribute not only to the visual appeal of plants but also play a role in various biological functions. Cancer. Cancer is a group of diseases characterized by the uncontrolled growth and spread of abnormal cells. It can occur in virtually any tissue or organ in the body and may form a mass or lump called a tumor. Cancerous cells can invade nearby tissues and, in some cases, metastasize to other parts of the body through the bloodstream or lymphatic system. Cardiovascular disease. Cardiovascular disease, CVD, refers to a class of diseases that involve the heart or blood vessels. It is a broad term that encompasses a range of conditions, including coronary artery disease, heart failure, valvular heart diseases, and disorders of the blood vessels. Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is a progressive neurodegenerative disorder that primarily affects the brain, leading to memory loss and cognitive decline. It is the most common cause of dementia, a syndrome characterized by a decline in cognitive function that interferes with daily life. Diabetes. Diabetes mellitus, commonly referred to as diabetes, is a group of metabolic disorders characterized by high blood sugar levels over a prolonged period. The condition results from either insufficient insulin production by the pancreas or the body's inability to effectively use the insulin it produces. Insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar and allows cells to utilize glucose for energy. Directly protect the blood vessels and the neurological system. Blood vessels and the neurological system are interconnected components of the body, playing crucial roles in maintaining overall health and functioning. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel.